How to use estate planning legal advice platforms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Estate planning platforms simplify wills, trusts, and directives, but beginners often make costly mistakes. You won't believe how small errors can invalidate your plan. The first mistake is skipping key documents. Wills, healthcare directives, and powers of attorney are essential. Missing any can create confusion and legal delays. Another common error is neglecting state-specific rules. Witness requirements, notarization, and formatting vary. Failing to follow local law can make your estate plan invalid. Many users also forget to name qualified executors or trustees. These individuals manage your estate, and choosing the wrong person can lead to mismanagement or conflict. A surprising mistake is ignoring digital assets like online accounts or cryptocurrency. Without instructions, heirs may lose access. Finally, beginners often neglect updates. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or new children require revisions. Regular reviews ensure your estate plan stays current. To properly use estate planning legal advice platforms, include all necessary documents, follow local legal rules, appoint reliable executors, address digital assets, and update regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your wishes are honoured and your loved ones are protected.